I'm showing you a 62 Ford Falcon horn. I thought that it was junk, but I've already repaired one. So let's get right down to it. This is the hop coming in, and this stuff, I don't know what it is. If a bug got in there, it almost looks like something melted on it. This right here, and particularly, I know you can't see it, sorry, right on the bottom side right there, if you scrape and clean it, and be careful not to damage their insulation board in between this and that, and clean this all up, because it's shorting right there, so your horn won't work. So if you clean this up pretty good, it should be all right. Try not to adjust that, because that's your adjustment. Leave it at a factory setting. Okay, that's a 62 Ford Falcon. No bull. Get right to it.